Hey, what's up guys? Just want to show you a little quick tip. I'm gonna be making a lot of these boxes, and so because of that I have everything here in my basement, and every time I do cuts I gotta take, as you guys see, I have a whole bunch of stuff. I got my miter saw right here, so every time I'm doing cuts I gotta take everything outside, and I work like 14 hours a day, so that doesn't work very well when I have to do a lot of stuff, and sometimes it rains and all that. So I got me this Bauer chop bag that's very small, very compact, and I got me this thing, the Cyclone, whatever thing you could build it, but I have decided just to buy. I'll put the link in the description for, it's not the same one, it's an Amazon one, but it does the same thing. They're very affordable. And what this gonna do is that you connect it to your miter saw, to anything you cut. So you do your cuts, and the heavy stuff is gonna go here, and the vacuum, because you know the vacuum, the filters, they get clogged up, so it keeps the filters clean. Only like the little small things go to the vacuum, because the heavy stuff go here and the vacuum is pulling from here. So the heavy stuff go here, and since it's too heavy, it's gonna fall down into the bucket, and the little small particles, the ones that you breathe in, that you are gonna go straight to the vacuum, and everything is gonna stay clean. So that's why I got this, so I could work in the basement when it's raining, when, you know, I just got here, 14 hours of work, and I'm just gonna put like 30 minutes, quick setup, boom, 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 bang this out, and that's it. Before, I wouldn't do anything because I would have to take everything outside and then everything back in. It's a lot of work, so just wanted to give you something. And I got me this, first time using it. I messed up because I didn't measure. You guys see here, this thing got, you gotta set this up for the proper depth, and I didn't use this little thing right here. I'll show you in a minute how to work, how make it work. If in case you want to get one of these, I'll put the links in the description, and let me show you guys. Okay, so the way this work, you take out your bed, then you're gonna take out your measuring tool right here, if I can get it out. Okay, and I got all my pieces here that I need to do pocket holes, and you're gonna put this right next to it, and you see how it says 3/4. So what you do, come with the little Allen thing, you open it up, and it has a hole, and it has some readings here. So you put it to 3/4 right here, you align it perfectly, and you just hold on, line it very good, and then you close it, you tighten it up, put this back on here, boom, perfect. Now every time you drill, it's gonna go to the right spot. Put in your drill, going to connect this. Not like that. Let's see how this works. Nope. Let's see how did I make this work? Oh, goes right here, and this goes right here. Beautiful. Now, guys, here we put it on the side, so in case I'm pretty late to this is the first time I'm using this. It's pretty simple. Put it in here, put this down, and then you drill your holes. But first, remember, turn on the vacuum. So let's do this real quick. That's simple. You get your pocket holes, and look, no mess around. So that lets me work inside the basement without any mess. And also, don't forget your protection, your safety glasses, and you should be all good. And look, guys, it was just 5 minutes, and I already have the pocket holes that I need. I didn't have to go outside. Floor's clean, and I've been using this for a while. I got all those cuts with my circular saw, my miter saw, using the same system. And I'm gonna show you all the sawdust and heavy stuff. And that's from the other thing that you see, is because after that, just give it a quick vacuum, and so it pick up things from the floor. You see all the sawdust is here, the heavy stuff. And you open this up, secondly, this is clean. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe, like, leave any comment, you have any question. Just wanted to share that with you in case you live in an apartment, you don't have a lot of space, work a lot of hours. There's always a way. This is the way I do it. I hope it helps somebody, and see you in the next one.